Please be aware that factory resetting will permanently delete everything off of your device. With all that being said, let's get started at the home screen of the Xbox. And from here, click on Settings in the top right corner. Next, scroll down to System and click on Console Info. Select Reset Console. Then click on Reset and remove everything. It will take a few moments to complete the process, and once it's done, you'll see the Xbox setup screen just like this. You can continue with the setup process if you're keeping your Xbox, but if you're planning on selling it, go ahead and you can turn it off at this point.